Wait, let me move chat. Why are you down there? Where do I put chat so that I can see it? Maybe above? Bro, that... Mary John Miss. Hello, Buggy. Good to see you, Ara. Hello, Retro. That conversation had a fucking grip on me. I could not tear myself off. What do you mean, why are you streaming, bro? I'm crying. Okay, wait, let me scooch myself over, and then... I love when women have a grip on me. Okay, my brother, just another me. I mean, pause. Unpause. Resume. What are we coding today? Play it back, actually. No, because you don't understand. I've been giggling for the past, what, 2 hours? So funny. Oh my gosh. I am making the quiz. Finish Friday Night Funkin'. Not me too. Wow, who said that? I'm crying, son. Wait, I accidentally left YouTube stream on. I was gonna turn YouTube off. Whatever. It's fine. It's fine. Okay, I need to recover. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Yo, bro, what? My radar has erectile dysfunction. I'm not gonna ask any questions. Greetings, Coz. Hello, Fembot. Turn on who, what? What? Okay, so what should we code today? I had no idea what I wanted to do for stream, so I just shot up a poll in the server, and I saw that Scratch actually won, which is pretty based. Finish FNAF? I don't want to. I got bored of FNAF. Do you really expect me to consistently work on a project? Like, let's be so for real. Let's be so for real. Patience, Rhett. Patience. Real shit. How do I... I'm trying to move the screen so that I can see you and myself. What should I code today? Make an RPG or something. Yo, bro. Wait, RPG. Role player game, right? That means role player game? Make Pac-Man. Code Gas. What is code Gas? Dun, 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 dun. Do we make a shooter? Can you code John Zombie? Can I code John Zombie? You know, I could try. Oh, by the way, how are we all doing today on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being terrible, 10 being amazing? How are we doing today? Are we bingoing this? Oh my gosh, Juice, you're so right. Thank you for reminding me. Let me get the link. Hold on. We are all playing bingo today. Thank you, Ara, for making this beautiful bingo. Let me get you the code or the link. Excuse me? Wait, where'd the link go? Dun, dun, dun. Oh, here it is. Okay. Maybe of the dating variety. Okay. Everybody, get a bingo card. We are playing bingo. We are all playing bingo. Let me know if you win. Don't cheat on everybody's soul. If you win, here, how about this? Screenshot your bingo card if you win, okay? So we know you're being serious. Fembot 10, that's good. Coz, solid 7. Nice, nice, nice. 4 again, TBH. That sucks, Ara. What's wrong? Honestly, my day was like a 5. It was kind of mid. Well, it was a 5 until that enlightening conversation. Like, the last couple hours were a 10. But before that, it was like 4 or 5. 4 is peak for me. That's not good. I'm like a 6 or a 7. Don't say it. Do we use our bingo cards? Yo, Brotatoes. What's up, Sino? Good to see you. Everybody click on the link that is pinned on Twitch. We are all playing bingo. You should scroll Scratch Projects page if you don't know what's a code. Oh, type shit. Oh gosh, wait. Ah! Wait, are we starting? Because I just said type shit. 9 because of the chat. Valid. No, me too. It went from a 4 to a 9 because of that conversation. On everybody's soul, I'm making a quiz after stream. On everybody's soul. I don't have type shit on my card now? Oh, what a shame, what a shame. Yo, let me know. Do we all have our bingo cards up? Shit. Thank you, Fembot. Very nice. Nicely done. Do we all have our bingo cards up? Shoot, I need to generate a card. Let's get on that, Sino. I'm ready? Perfect. Yes, we do. Awesome. Good to see you, Dev. Yes, amazing. What cards do we use? Do we use our own? The Lind? It's in the Lind pink. It's in the pinned link. By the way, when do you have bingo? Oh, you have bingo when you have 5 in a row. Wait, should we do blackout? No. We shouldn't do blackout. I would do blackout if I was playing Minecraft. I joining bingo. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I would do blackout if I was playing Minecraft because Minecraft just invites me to say these phrases so often. But because I'm on Scratch, I feel like it's going to be a bit harder. So let's do 5 in a row, okay? So it can be vertical, diagonal, horizontal. All right, I got it. Cool. We are all ready. Twitch hates me right now. I gotta be on YouTube. Wait, first of all, is your name pronounced Zeph? And second of all, you're sending that from Twitch. What do you mean? What do you mean? Does that count as butchering a name? Yo, wait. Does it? Zeph, did I say your name right? If I said your name incorrectly, then that already counts as one. By the way, if you're on YouTube, make sure to pull up to Twitch because we're playing bingo. And bingo is only accessible on Twitch. I don't have okay either. Why is okay one of them? Like I said before, you may as well just put breathes. I don't know how I could possibly go an entire stream without saying okay. La 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 la. What are we coding? We could do a shooter. You just said wait, right? Oh, I think I did. You said it right. Oh, I said it right. Let's go! Okay, so that was not butchering a name. We are starting right now. Everybody got your bingo cards? We're starting right now, okay? Some of them have to be pseudo-free. True, true, true. Yeah, we started. Okay, so that did not count as butchering a name because I said it correctly. Let's get one thing very clear. Where do I put chat so that you can see it? Do I like... Maybe for Scratch, I can put chat in the middle, like right here. Is that okay? I don't know. Maybe like right here? Okay. Ba-da-bum-bum. So what if I make... I can't make a look outside type... White on white though? What do you mean, Ara? I don't think I have the skills to make a game like Look Outside, bro. Wait, you can see. You can see. Wait, do you... No, Dev, you don't have to clip it. I'll just take your word for it. Oh, well, chat is white. Oh, it's like blasting my face, right? Yeah, yeah. Why do I have good girl on my... Why do I have good girl on my bingo? Fuck off. Wait, do you see the... You can see the evidence from last night. Look at the top left. Oh, gosh. By the way, for everyone, Kiwi reading it from chat doesn't count. Yes, exactly, exactly. For example, that did not count as a good girl. It has to be organic. Oh my gosh, that's so funny. Thank you for the follower, Time Traveler. It's good to see you. Okay, I'm crying, son. Let me move this back. We are actually coding now. What is up, gays? It's good to see you, Salt. So I can't make Look Outside. Can I make a shooter? Drunk Scratch stream when? Hold on. That sounds fun. I finally understand Markiplier. I mean, that's good. What is there to understand? Based, though. Based. Lamal. Stream won't load on Twitch? Really? My intentions are unpure. Yo, bro, what? I don't have hold on either. Let me hop right into the coding. I'm taking too long. So why don't we try to make a shooter where enemies will spawn in and you have to click them to kill them. Does that sound okay? Okay, she said bro, but I don't have yo. I do have bro at least. Okay, okay. Hold on. Yo and bro in the same sentence. I'm winning this? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. In the sense of my simpler shitpost animations doing better than the ones I get voice acted. Oh, that's so real. Time Traveler. So we're gonna make a shooter. Why don't I have the cat be the enemy? I have yo and bro as well. Alright, I gotta be on my A game. I can't be letting this shit slip. So this will be the enemy. So I'm gonna be using clones. Now, I've never used clones before, so I don't have a lot of faith in myself. Oh, when I start as a clone. A shooter with this goofy cat? Yes, sir. So when the flag is clicked, and it can just be constant, right? we're going to use an until. Repeat until we die. So then I'll have a variable, a boolean for alive. Or should it be game end? Game end, yeah. Whoa, holy typing. Game end for all sprites. Okay, so repeat until game end equals 1. Game end equals 1, and then in the beginning we set game end to 0. Perfect. Whoa. This sprite only, so it's unique per clone. Game end. No, not like clone end, like game end. As in you let too many of them go. Does says something gay count as this? What? I did not say anything gay, what do you mean? Kiwi, I literally just need a legit clip that. You're already at 4? Yo, bro, what? I sent that when you were talking about death for the clones. Oh, okay, okay. That's a good idea. So should I make a variable for is this clone alive? I'll visit that idea later. So when the flag is clicked, set game end to 0, repeat until game end equals 1, create clone of myself every 1 second. This is kind of like, you know the aim training games? The ones that you used to use for Valorant, where you hop on and then it spawns in a target and you have to click it, and then it spawns in another, and you see how quickly you can click all the targets? It's kind of like that, honestly. Nah, bro, tweaking. I got dealt a godly hand. High key end YouTube stream, this shit keeps freezing. How do I do that? Can I do that? Yo, bro, I don't know how to. Somebody tell me how to end YouTube stream and I'll do it. Da-na-na-da-na. I bend at the will of other women. Okay. Da-na-na-na. Whoa. Needs tech support. Ah! Wait. You're I don't have that either. Fuck. Oh my gosh. On Twitch, mine's been smooth so far. Oh, that's good, Sino. When I start as clone. Okay, so now we need to create a bullet. So do I want to make a bullet sprite and then map it onto the enemy? I think I do. Dun dun dun. Whoa. I made one of these using Pygame. And it was genuinely easier to make using Pygame than it is on Scratch. La la la. That game was cool though, bro. Because you were actually a little dude that I drew with pixel art, and then you could control it using WASD, and then you could shoot using the mouse, and then the little dudes would spawn in, and they had an animation where they, like, move up and down. What's the word? What's that funny word for moving back and forth? Dun 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 dun. Make an OS in Scratch. Yo! That sounds oscillating. Well, that's close, Retro, but there's a funnier one. Bouncing on it. Stutter stepping? Holy literary scholar? Gyrating. Yeah, gyrating. Gyrating, yeah. Okay, so how about we make this, and then we make an OS. I think if I have Retro and Dev and chat, we can make an OS together. But on my own, I'm not smart enough. Dun 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 dun. Okay. Wait, did I make... Yo, dude, I made an interpreter, I just realized. Or was it a compiler? It was for a super simple language, but that was one of my biggest projects in my Python class. Why are we oscillating? Why are you not oscillating is the question. So when I start as a clone, we're gonna broadcast... Can you broadcast and send a variable with the broadcast? Yo, this is so sweaty. Oh, I want to see it. We got Dev on board. It's happening. La 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 la. Holy C++ incoming. I'm oscillating so hard. Okay. Broadcast. How do I do this? Broadcast. I feel like I'm doing this in the least efficient way possible. What I want to do is for every enemy, I want to have bullets spawn in periodically, starting at the coordinates of the enemy and then going toward the player, you know? You smell me? So I need to shrink this. See, I did this in Python and it was a lot easier. I don't know how. What if I just put it off and I start making the player? I might be a genius. Okay, this is where my years of art come into play. La, 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 la. We're gonna be a hamster. Oh, good heavens. Oh my gosh. Oh! Yo, bro. Oh my gosh. It's not going good. It's not going good. Why is it shaped like a box? Wait, help. Okay. Okay. Does it look like a hamster? Be honest. Yo, bro, I'm crying. What is this? What is that Chikawa looking shit? Okay. Also, what the fuck is Stone Cold Steve Austin? And by the way, for those who don't know, if I read it off chat, it doesn't count. Forever, broadcast bullet, and have bullet go to clone X and Y. So I track the clone X and Y. Oh, this is so complicated. Ah! This was easier to do on Python. I need to hang up the jersey, bro. I'm a fake coder. Bro looks like he... Looks good. Thank you, Mari. Looks like he ate too much lasagna, but in a cute way, though. That's good. Big hamster. It looked like a short-tailed cat. Okay. For this sprite only, because it's instanced if you do that. Clone X. Right? Clone Y. For this sprite only. Retro, you're deadass better at Scratch than I am, which is crazy because I'm literally 2 years deep into a software engineering major. I need to hang up the jersey. Wait, isn't heh on the bingo? I may have just given away a free point. I've been on here for 5 years. Yeah, but I've been on Scratch for like 3 years. How do you learn the syntax of Scratch and what else can you do with it? You can do a ton, Dev. You can do so much with Scratch. It's crazy. How do you learn it? Like you learn anything else. You just keep doing it. I gotta go already, Kewington. Have fun, freaky streamer. Bye, chat. Bye, Kira. It was good to have you. My goat. And a little bit in 3rd grade. I think I did Scratch starting in 4th grade? Question mark? I know I was on it big time in 5th grade. Dun, dun, dun. See my profile. Shameless plug. See my profile, Retrocity, to find an example of what you can do. Bro, on everybody's soul, I don't know how I'm fighting this illness. You know how I said I was sick like 3 days ago? I was being dead ass, and it's been 3 days, and I'm still on the edge. Like I'm staring down the barrel of a shotgun. And for some reason I'm... What did I just see? And for some reason I'm still not fully sick yet. I feel like 1/3 sick. La, 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 la. Have you reached the subject that goes, oh yeah, this algorithm will perform worse than the other due to such optimizations? Whole theory? Yo, pause. Sorry. I've looked into optimization. I've done a lot of work on optimization in my classes. I made it on like 30 minutes. Might update eventually though. Oh, on everybody's soul? I said on everybody's soul? Ah! Kiwi, you should check out FNAF Week. I will. On X's soul. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Bingo? Wait, Mari, you got bingo? No way. Dude, send it. Send it in the Discord right now. No, that's crazy. That was so fast. And while we're at it, I need to send the Discord invite link. No way, that was actually... Bro, it's been 19 minutes. And 2 of those minutes were spent setting up stream. Dun, dun, dun. I'm crying, son. Whoa. Yo, send it right now. There's no way. Dog, I have 2 rows of 4. Oh, they said JK? Oh. I got my hopes up. Okay. Here, let me fill in the hamster. La 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 la. Whoa. I genuinely love Scratch. It's so fun. This is like the only time that doing something scholarly is truly fun. It feels like going outside and riding a scooter or something, except you're exercising your brain. I'm still trying to get the bingo. I believe in you, Fembot. Bingo, bitches. Wait, what? Wait, what? I did a whoa? Retro, can you send me the link on Discord? Oh. I'll probably check out Retro's account on stream. Dev. Ban them for that transgression. Yo, no way, no way. Send it right now. Send it in the Discord. I need to see this. Yo, bro. What did Kira just send? I can't be opening up Discord on stream. It's too distracting. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa. This guy is in fact Dev. Okay. There we go. We have our little hamster guy. I'm gonna name him Player. And then he needs to be controlled using WASD. So I think I'm just gonna go when this key is pressed. You should be able to click W rather than having to scroll down to it. I was almost there, dang it. TS so hype. Time Traveler. Buggy got it just before you. Anyway, we call this subject algorithm analysis. We basically study the code in a performance matter without running any code, only based in mathematical background like asymptotes. We use notations such as big O. Oh yeah, Mari. Oh hell yeah. No, tons of that. Whoa. Da, da. My professor was obsessed. Especially with the O notation shit. No, I didn't. I'm lying. It was it was a complete and utter balls up. No way! Wait, Buggy actually won. Hold on. Can I share my screen without doxing myself? Whoa. Dun dun dun. Wait, what? When I go to share the screen, it says the title of the tab is the 18+ channel, but it's not. This is scary. I'm not gonna do it. Cannot be leaking that shit. Buggy did in fact get bingo. Only liars here, SMH. Real shit. Even though you also lied. No, you cannot download the image and pull that up. Oh, yeah. You could open the photo in browser. Oh. I'm kind of too lazy. We're all in the Discord, right? Whoever lies in chat gets -1 PP size. Trans girls in here, here's your chance. Start lying. Okay, well, I'll read out what Buggy got. So, the non-winning rows, Buggy got needs tech support, type shit, screams. I didn't scream. Twin, yo, okay, holy. And then for the bingo row, Buggy got whoa, be honest, hold on, wait, and bro. And if I was playing Minecraft, that would have been a whole lot easier and we would have gotten a blackout. Probably quicker. Dun, 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 dun. I did scream? Oh. It starts inverting? You did scream a little at the start. Oh. Man. Dun, 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 dun. A blackout, Dev, is when you get all of the spaces. Rather than just 5 in a row, you get all 25. You screamed when Mari faked bingo as well. Oh, interesting. Interessante. What was I doing? Okay, so when W key pressed, do I change X? I think I change X. Or not X, Y. Right? Change Y by 10. That way I can move diagonally if I hit them both at the same time. I think. She said interessante. I did, that's true. Is that on the bingo? Hold on. Sweet lady luck blessed me, and I did not let it go to waste. Kiwi, there's some things I don't understand about the bingo card. Like what? W? Where's A? A? So A is left, so change X by -10. Yo, bro, that is not X. Change X by -10. Dude, I'm so happy that the general populace enjoyed my ranking fetishes tier list, because that is so freaking fun to me, and that was a complete airball in my opinion. I was just like, 50-point shot from across the court. I did not expect anybody to find that enjoyable. I love analyzing fetishes, though, from a psychological standpoint. It's so entertaining. It's fascinating, too. Does that make me a gooner? Do you guys think I'm a gooner? Be honest. Dun, dun, dun. Like Stone Cold Steve Austin and Hero Brian. Stone Cold Steve Austin? What do you not understand? I say that sometimes. I stole it from Jinxie. It just means serious. Like I'm being Stone Cold Steve Austin serious. And then Hero Brian is just how I pronounce Hero Brian. Because apparently it's Hero Brian, you know? Dun 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 dun. Whoa. Ranking fetish list? Yeah, that was my recent video. Time Traveler. Cool, cool, cool. Yeah, I was gonna psychoanalyze myself in DMs, but you don't accept them. Oh. Time Traveler, it's on my YouTube. It's my recent video. Bro, my ads ended and it popped up as, do you guys think I'm a gooner? Be honest, be honest. By the way, that ranking fetishes was a scam. It only has the letter A fetishes. Excuse you, it is not a scam. That took me 11 minutes to get through only the letter A. It took me 11 minutes. But TBH, it was so fun that I'm probably going to continue it until I get banned off of YouTube. Which I probably will, to be honest. Dun, 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 dun. I just really love it, which is unfortunate. Like, of all the things for my brain to hyperfixate on and develop a special interest in, it had to be fetishes. Like, really? Type 1 in chat if you think Kiwi's a gooner. Okay. Yo, Ara. I'm pretty sure you're like 80% of the ones. I could be wrong. Okay. Now the chat's filled with ones. Okay. Wow. I feel so loved. That's so funny. I really gotta thank your brain for locking onto a song that went, whoa. Oh, because I do the whoa. Dun, 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 dun. Type 1 is on the card. Okay, but to be fair, I didn't say type 1. I read it off chat, which doesn't count. When reaching the end of letter Z fetishes, we'll be able to compile all the vids into a 4-hour tier list. That'd be so fire. That's the type of shit that I would watch. Like, if I'm doing an activity and I want to listen to something in the background, I would put on a 4-hour fetish tier list. There's about 6 or 7 people typing 1. Iceberg chart vid when? Iceberg chart about what? Dun, dun, dun. Never mind, I thought it was that tier list with the pictures. The weird anime one? Nah. Why was that so loud? Free content. I'm not too concerned about, like, content or views. I just do it because I like it. Not in a gooner way. Not in a gooner way. Let's get one thing very clear. You guys know I'm Ace Flux, right? The bottle fart. That's not funny, bro. Okay, it's a little funny. Based that the nature fetishes got S tier. Oh yeah, right? Like, they're so interesting. That is perplexing to me, because how do you develop that? Yo, my card just randomized. Transgender? D tier. If you're good at something, never do it for free. Yo, bro, I don't think I'm very good at it if I'm being completely Stone Cold Steve Austin serious. Ace Flux card. What does that mean? I can't even get my second bingo. I'm sure somebody else has gotten a bingo by this point. Oh, you updated it? No, that's fine, Ara. The game already ended. We could run it back. Yo, do we want to run it back? Stone Cold Steve Austin. Are we running back bingo? Be honest. If we are, I'll, like, announce the official start. Okay, so, like, everybody had to clear their boards and shit. Dun 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 dun. La 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 la. Whoa. Okay. I think there's a better way to do this. I made a geometry dash game one time, and I got the movement to be really smooth, but this is not giving. How do I get smooth movement? I had a momentum variable, I remember. Momentum. And then maybe I just... Do I have a direction? See, on Geometry Dash, I had gravity as well. On this one, I don't have gravity. Use if key pressed, not when pressed. Yo, bro, what is with the all caps? This guy's a D1 caps hater, by the way. Sure, let's run it back? Okay. Yeah, that's event-based. Okay, give me 2 minutes before starting bingo. Sounds good. So, when the flag is clicked, forever, if key is pressed. Oh, and then should I do else and then reduce momentum? Sorry, I just know you're too stupid to see because I sent this 15. Okay. He hates them only in excess use. I would argue that was excess. So if something is being pressed, if key W is pressed, then momentum needs to be capped though. What's she drinking? Bleach. True. I'm drinking a cold brew actually. BINGO. Fembot got bingo. This is huge. So if key W pressed, then do I change X by 1? I mean, whoa, Y by 1. Ah, sorry. Oh, you're right. I forgot retro. Thank you. Change Y by momentum steps. Thank you. Oh, that's right. Wow, it's all coming back to me. Change Y by momentum. So I need to set... Ooh. I should increase momentum by 1, right? And for down, you do -1. Yeah, okay. When are you going to code in C? When you teach me, Dev. I have 0 experience with C. Like, actually negative. I was about to take a C class. What was it? My second semester last year? And then I dropped out. And I replaced it with the Roman history class. Hey, when do we start bingo? I was just waiting for you, Ara. Are you good? We are, in fact, running it back. Instead of using else, set momentum to momentum times 0.8. What? Dun, dun, dun. No, because the momentum should only be decreasing if we are not clicking the W key. If we're still going forward, then it should be increasing. To a certain extent. We all coding in C in 2026. Wait, yo, Kira? The second coming? Okay, everybody reset your bingo cards. We are all playing bingo. Wait, was that one of the... No. Was that one of the boxes? We are all... Insert thing here. If you use else, then you can get infinitely fast, but I would cap it. My method still allows you to move, but it's limited. Free sub to winner, right? Ooh, I want to... No, I want to do that, but I don't know how to attach my payment method. Also, I'd be giving out hella subs, let's be honest. Wait is... What do you mean by that, Ara? Okay. Change Y by momentum. Else, I need an if in here. Wait, whoa. If momentum is at a certain point, then change Y by momentum. And also we need to increase momentum. Change momentum by 1, or wait, by 0.5? If you're smart, feel free to critique my methods. Only to the first winner of every bingo? You said wait. And okay. Oh, no! It is. I love the idea of being able to borrow memory from heap and shit. C is pretty easy, actually. Really? I only know Java and Python. Is it comparable? And brainfuck. We all love coding in brainfuck. F, an array of unspecified size of pointers to functions that return pointers to functions that return void. Yo, bro, what the hell is that? Yo, that is not English. C is mildly similar to Java. Okay. It doesn't seem too hard. Ba-dum-bum. Yo, wait, I said yo, bro? Ah! Oh, it's so hard. La 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 la. Yeah, both strong typed. What does strong typed mean? If momentum is less than 10. Dun 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 dun. Whoa. Change momentum by. Let's go. Yeah, that's fine. Oop King? What? I don't know C, but I do know C++. Thank you for the follow, the Matties TB. Yo, no. That was a name butcher. Oh, no. Thank you for the follow, Maddie. Just join. What are we making? We are trying to make a shooter. A really bare bones one. And I keep getting distracted. We're also playing bingo. And one of the bingo spots was me butchering a name, which I unfortunately just did. Kiwi, I need you to trust me. Set momentum to momentum times 0.85 and test it. For the else, right? You mean for the else? Set momentum to momentum times 0.85 for the else? It's literally almost English words. Very true. Fuck, I don't have it. No, at all time. Oh, I see. Yeah. Times 0.85. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa. Oh, I see. So I need to use an if, not an if else. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, it's all making sense now. It's all making sense. I've never coded physics in a professional atmosphere, so I'm not very familiar with it. I just made that one Geometry Dash game, which was kind of scuffed. If you know C++, you can basically code in C, because almost same syntax, but no object-oriented programming and less memory safety. Oh, then why would you choose C over C++? Every frame multiply momentum by 0.8 to simulate friction. Oh, yeah. Yeah. That's what we just did, right, Maddie? Oh, gosh. I see and hum song. Gulp. Okay. So if key W pressed, and my capping of the momentum is fine, right? If 10 is greater than momentum, then change momentum by 0.5. Is this okay? Test it? What if it like fails miserably? Would that be embarrassing? Okay. It's decent. It's not increasing fast enough. Let me change that. Why don't we try 1? This is going to be too much, I'm telling you. I'm going to start it in the center. Go to 0, 0. Okay. Oh, that's nice. Wait, hold on. The hamster's flying away. Add a set pause 0, 0. Yeah, I was 2 steps ahead. If a language is strongly typed, it basically means that language enforces data type rules. Oh, so like Java. Restricting operations on incompatible types and preventing implicit type conversions. Okay, yeah, I like non-strongly typed. I like Python. Oh gosh. I said hold on. Fuck declarative programming. All my homies enjoy object-oriented programming. Type shit. Will this be on Steam? Really good question, Coz. I'm thinking yes. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, so this looks really nice. I don't think I have any complaints. Maybe a little faster, actually. 1.2? And maybe I should I increase the cap? Oh no, I said type shit. Ah. Thank you, Juiced. Thank you, Juiced. Well done, well done. I don't have type shit either. This is so tragic. Can you add pop-up ads when you press a key? Now we're thinking like a real corporation. Now we're thinking like Ubisoft. Is there a page on itch.io already? There will be. Give me 2 minutes. I might have a bingo, but I might be reading into it. Get scared. Yo, bro, when did I get scared? What are we talking about? Yo, bro, I'm on Scratch right now. When did I get scared? Dun, dun, dun. I can't tell. Do I like the movement? We could just try copying it for all the other axes, for all the other WASD. See how it looks. Whoa. Do I need a momentum for every single... We sipped coffee at the same time? Yo, twin! We're implementing the battle pass. Don't do friction multiple times. How do I implement the momentum bit? The momentum is universal, right? Do it all in one loop? Oh, I see what you're saying. Yep, okay. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, hey, type shit. If key W pressed. So I just need a bunch of copies of these. I think. I can test it, we'll see. Yeah, okay. Dun, dun, dun. Oh my gosh! Holy enormous block. Do a loop inside a loop and let this fix it. I agree, Lamau. Why don't I have whoa? Crine sent in. Oh. You probably want to have a Y momentum and an X momentum. Oh, okay. So Y and X. Yeah, I think you're right, actually, yeah. So I'll do X ooh. This is Y momentum. And then I'll make X momentum. Okay. So for W, that's going to be Y. For A, that's going to be X momentum. Wait. No, momentum's always going to be positive. Yeah. Ugh. Is this coding? Sino, I think it might be. Holy and oh my gosh. Wait, it's one of them. Ah! Bava and Jedrock type shit. Ah! Dude, oh my gosh. My speech patterns. They're so predictable. Just rename it, goddamn. 1, what are you talking about? And 2, why are you still using caps? Mind blown emoji. Oh my gosh, Crossed. Yo, Valentine getting the luck this time. Valentine stealing the luck from Buggy. This is crazy. Okay, so wait, no. WA, S is going to be down. So that's Y momentum. But we maintain the whoa. Momentum can be negative if you go down or left. Yeah. So the cap needs to be -10 to 10. Yes. Did that count as a scream? I think yes. Does it? I don't even remember screaming. Okay, so W, increase it. If A is pressed, that's left. So if I just switch these two. If X momentum is greater than -10, then change X momentum by -1.2. I'm a genius. Key S is pressed, that's down. So we switch these two. -10. Change Y momentum by -1.2. Change Y by Y momentum. Imagine I do all this and then I try it and it just doesn't work at all. And it just fucking explodes. Did she say she's crying already? I don't know. I don't think I did. And then if key A is pressed, then this is going to be X again. So this is also to the left. Wait, did I already do A? I did. W-A-S, this is D. If key D is pressed, then that is to the right. So if 10 is greater than X momentum, change X momentum by 1.2. Oh, I need to make this change X. I think I forgot to do that previously. Change X by X momentum. Gulp. And then set X momentum to X. Whoa! I need to make 2 of these. I need to make 1 for each type. X momentum and Y momentum. There we go. Yo, stop running. Stop. First thing when I do when I get my paycheck sub, Maria, I appreciate you. I am honored. What are these incomprehensible runes? These? Yo, grains of salt. Are we referring to the screen or what? At least they don't have AI, forever dog, robot, real puppy ads. Bro, Sino, I got so many of those like 3 months ago on YouTube. I don't know what cookies it was referencing, but on God, every single video that I watched, I got like, this real life AI powered koala pet is better than therapy. Like, bro, how can you even advertise that legally? Not only is it not real, but also claiming that it's better than therapy. Like, bro, what do you mean by that? Puppy, woof. Yo, I was gonna say good girl, but I didn't. Yo, Kiwi, there's this thing that when you add, then go there, it does because doing it makes sense, right? Yeah, Kira, yeah. Wait, you're so smart, Kira. Implement AI scalability into the code? Wait, you're a genius. So I won the bingo, right? They're universally, I'm pretty sure, plaguing the feed. Terrible, terrible. Okay. Zeph did, wait. Innuendo was I like it faster? Yo, Zeph, was not intentional. On my life, I don't even remember saying I like it faster. Okay, so we have 2 winners, okay? I'm gonna read them off. So Fembot got a winner. Fembot actually got 2 axes. So Stone Cold Steve Austin, I'm gonna read the first x-axis. Stone Cold Steve Austin, on me, clip that. What am I looking at? Those who, okay. And then on the on the up and down, Stone Cold Steve Austin still, Gollum, oh my gosh, Holy, and Aura. That was Fembot. Okay, now for Zeph's, our recent winner, we have 1 bingo, and it is Hold On, Needs Tech Support, Innuendo, Bro, and Be Honest. Beautiful. This shit makes me giggle, bruh. TS is so funny. Dun, 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 dun. We have 2 wieners. When did she need tech support? At the beginning. Or like, sort of toward the beginning. Because apparently it was lagging a lot. I didn't catch, like, none of those. What the helly? Glorious. I don't remember Gollum mention either. Maybe it was like a Freudian slip. Dun, dun, dun. Okay, is this... Change Y by. One of these needs to change. This needs to be change X by. Oh, what's happening? Oh, that's so beautiful. Wait, that's so good. Okay, the only problem is it's really like chunky when you change from vertical to horizontal movement and vice versa. How do I smooth that out? See, it like comes to a halt. Certainly better than the steps. Yo mama so dungle, she sprungle. Type shit. I'm gonna update the bingo card again in a few minutes. Good, good, good. TS Siloink. Remove the limits? Good idea. What if I just make them crazy? The formula is self-limiting? No, I'm just gonna make the limits crazy. I'll put them to 50. Nobody's hitting TS. Whoa. Oh, I see. Because the momentum's going to be decreased anyway. It barely makes a difference. Honestly, I don't think it made any difference. I don't think I was even hitting 10 before. So I just need to fix the error of the hamster stopping when you switch from moving horizontally to vertically. You see that? It's very wonky. It is nice though, it is nice. I kind of want to increase the speed a bit faster. So I'm going to change it to 1.4. Minus 1.4. A and S, yep. And then 1.4, okay. That feels better. That certainly feels better. It still comes to a halt though, which I don't like. The hamster is alive! It's moving! Yo, bro, anyone else hold their cup like this? Be honest. Because I do. And I don't even try to. It just like I don't have control over my hand. Whenever I'm drinking, I have to go like this. Dun, 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 dun. Make it so that if the hamster goes fast enough, his eyes pop because hamsters can't handle high speeds without falling apart. Yo, bro, Mari, you should probably be on a watch list if I'm being honest. Classical Kiwi. Fancy shit. The highest honor coming from Dev. So, to my geniuses in chat, how do I fix the issue of the movement being choppy? It seems to slow down when I go diagonally, even though it shouldn't be. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa. Should I just not change the Y moment? I feel like our momentum is built in the incorrect way. By the way, that's a hamster? Somehow. Yo. Holy stray. You're only applying motion if a key is pressed. Oh, I see. Wait, you're so smart, bro. Take the change X by var out of the statement. And put it below. Oh, you're so right. Yo, dude. See, like, it's such a simple fix. Which makes me think, why is my brain not picking up on that? Good night, Fembot. So you're adjusting X by 1 or -1, and you're adjusting Y by 1 or -1? By 1.4 or -1.4. Those were the optimal numbers. Oh, that's so much better. Oh my gosh. Yo, shout out Maddie. Holy moly. That is so much better. Wow. Look how he floats. Look how he's just floating around, just doing his own thing. Who's applying lotion? Yo, yo, Ara, that's just you. It actually sounds like a dog just got merged with a phoenix and a hog rider outside. And it's past 4 a.m. Yo, Coz, you good? Is everything okay? I also gotta go, but tell me how everything turns out at the end. Goodbye, Valentine. It was good to have you. Software degree? Maddie, you're a software engineer as well? Graduated? Because I am majoring in software engineering, but I'm in my last year. And let's just say I'm only in my 2nd year. Do the math. No lotion, we go dry here. No lotion, we go dry here. Okay. Okay, this is awesome. I literally forgot what I was making. We're making a shooter, okay. So now we need to... I want the hamster to use a melee attack, and then I want the enemies to use a ranged attack, okay? Does that make sense? So how do we attack? Should we use the spacebar to attack? I don't know, we'll see. If I suddenly vanish, the creature got me. Gulp. Same vibes as no beta, we die like men. What does that mean? I'm marveling it so good. Okay. So, melee attack. I'm thinking I might just do spacebar. Kiwi, you the type of person who would breathe? I mean, yep. Type shit. Have you ever learned networking or systems? I believe I have. I believe that was one of my first projects. A very popular AO3 tag? Yo, I'm not cultured. No beta, we die like men. What? I only read smut, so maybe that's why? Networking or systems, dev, I'm pretty sure I have, but I'm not super familiar with that title. But I'm pretty sure I have. Kiwi definitely has skin on John. I mean, I think I do. Maybe? I also only read smut? Wait, then what is no beta, we die like men? Home labbing when then? Yo? That's a smart word that I am not familiar with, but type shit. Put it on the to-do list. And only lesbian smut. Then where does no beta, we die like men fit in if it's only lesbian smut? Yo, bro, is this okay to even be discussing on stream? Yo, bro, okay. I'm taking a step back. Okay. La 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 la. Whoa. Shit. Juice, did I say type shit? This is crazy. No yaoi? Coward. Wait. I didn't know Maddie was based like that. On bro, Kiwi has hair. It's true. You did? Wow, Juice. You are so locked. It means not previously read by an editor. Oh. Wait, where did it go? Same vibes as no beta, we die like men. Oh, so that means not previously read by an editor? You're telling me people on AO3 have editors? You say it a lot, my dear. I guess you're right. You did like 8 times. Okay. Gulp. Okay. Melee weapon. I should make a sword attack animation. Hamster 1. Dun 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 dun. Whoa. Kiwi, if you could shoot anything out of your hands, what would it be? Maybe like... Yo, bro, what am I doing? That's a really good question. If I could shoot anything out of my hands, what would it be? Just got here, what are you making on Scratch? We are making a sort of shooter game where you're a hamster and you move around and you have a melee attack, and then these are going to spawn in and shoot at you. And you have to defeat them. Dun 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 dun. On Golem's soul, Kiwi the type of person to eat yogurt and have a fake nose ring. Or not, like proofread. Yo bro, what's happening? Yo bro, what? Anyway, rope, okay. What would I shoot out of my hands? Like fire is cool, but it's too basic and it's not actually pragmatically sound because when would I use fire? Like actually. I'd shoot tendrils so I can grab shit and then retract them. That's a good one. That's a really good one. Wait, that's really good. Yeah. Maybe like tendrils. Uh-huh. That'd be so cool, bruh. I wish I could like extend tendrils from my hands. Dun dun dun. Dun, 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 whoa. So I could make a hamster attack animation, right? Hamster 2. Whoa. I like how his tail is transparent. Hold on. Let me give his tail some color. There we go. TS look like my hamster. See ya, Koz. Or do what Superman did back in the day. Fire a tiny version of myself? That's kind of scary. Tendrils, yes. Oh. If you shot anything cool out of your hands, the CIA would find you and do weird stuff. Yep, true. Hello, CIA. I do not shoot anything weird out of my hands. Trust me, bro. Okay. What was I doing? Yo, bro, isn't that a bingo slot? What was I doing? See, this is why I'm not cut out to be a software engineer, because this is what I say like every 2 seconds when I'm doing an actual homework assignment. Like, what the fuck am I doing? What if I shot Men in Black style amnesia beams? That'd be really cool, bro. But simultaneously, it's not very feasible, because when would you use that? When would you want to give someone amnesia, right? I just wouldn't see myself using that very often. If at all. Right? Shooting men sounds based. Okay. Okay. After every fumble. But you see, I take pride in my fumbles, because fumbling is how you improve. Constant brain fog is a sign of autism, Lamau. Yo. Yo, bro, who's gonna tell him? Also, it's good to see you. Jurlad? How do I say your name? Oh gosh, I butchered another name. I knew you'd comment on that. Hi, how you doing? You too. Problem solved. I mean, see, if I were to fumble like that, I would just accept it. I need to accept my failures in order to grow as a person. Constant autism is also a sign of autism. It's true. It's true. I would know. I feel like 90% of us would know. Dun 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 dun. Whoa. Okay, I remembered what I was doing. I was making the attack animation. Nah, my brain fogs, but I never took an autism test. Yo, how do we tell him? I'm just kidding. Dun dun dun. I think watching this stream is a sign of autism. Bro, Twitch held that for review, by the way. I had to let it through manually. Which is crazy! Of all the things Twitch lets slide, it holds that for review. Gulp? I was gonna say that. Yo, bro, like real shit. Why are so many of my viewers autistic? And I mean that with nothing but love, because I'm autistic too. Like, how? How is it even possible? Am I emitting a frequency that only autistic people can pick up on? Like, what's happening? Genuinely. 'Cause you are? 'Cause you're autistic. Okay. Okay. Kiwi's main demographic is autist. It's true, though. It's true. Tism magnet. I'm proud, though. My brethren. My brother, just another me. Autizometer. Dog, I could call Retro a pussy-ass bitch, and Twitch wouldn't hold TS. You're right! Literally, you just said the words pussy-ass bitch, and Twitch did nothing. We find each other. Tui, you get it. You get it. What was I doing? A sword. The sword's just gonna materialize out of thin air, by the way. Dun dun dun. Yo, bro. That's an average size sword, right? Be honest. Yo, bro. Your speech patterns and mannerisms attract those of similar thought. You're right. No, that's a huge sword. Please. Please. Kind of big, in my opinion. So did you decide it was fire shooting out of your hands or little copies of yourself? It was tendrils. Shooting out tendrils. Had to clear a DNS cache and add Twitch's domain in order to fix Twitch's bullshit? What does that even mean? I think you might be a genius. Welcome to the ranked stack. Welcome to the ranked scratch stack. Yo, bro, I did not say tentacles. Yo, bro, I did not say that. I think you're projecting. Yo, bro, I did not say tentacles. I also thought of ender pearls. Like, shooting... We love tentacles on God. Hashtag tentai. Yo, bro, okay. Okay. Hamster 3? I'll just make a super simple, super tiny. Just enough to communicate that a sword was swung. Twitch stopped working for some reason and it gave me a DNS error. What does DNS stand for, Dev? We love tentacles on women. Yo, bro. Yo, bro. Yo, bro, let's slow down. Yo, what's happening? What's happening? Shoot an ender pearl, I teleport where it lands. That is cool. Tendril equals tentacle. My brother, just another me. Yo. Domain name server. Oh. That's so odd. That's what she said. Okay. Moving on. Dun, dun, dun. Whoa. Yo, bro, TS is so sword on everybody's soul. Wait, nah. No, wait, I can't undo. Wait, why am I... Why is it all one piece? Excuse me? Yo, bro. Domain name server. Hashtag domain expansion. I watched like one season of JJK. Well, we're just gonna have to roll with it, unfortunately. Whoa. Bro, how do I... Fucking massive sword. How do I let people... Wait. Well, actually, I don't want to let people send links because that's dangerous. But you know what's crazy? It'll let bots send links sometimes. Or like send links, but then they add a space so it doesn't register as a link. It's so crazy. But then God forbid someone just sends a harmless link or clips something. You can make the sword in a separate space from the hamster, allowing you to copy and paste it. Oh! Oh, random person. Wait. We are all deleting my progress so far and doing exactly that. You might be a genius. We all jork. I sent Twitch's link. I'm sorry, brother. It's a necessary evil. I have to turn off all links because there are some evil people out there. But innocent members of this community suffer. It's basically when you search, for example, Twitch TV, the domain server translates that to Twitch's IP and sends it to your computer so you can communicate with it. How does that get an error, though? Happened to me Sunday. I should probably record the lines Retro wants. Fuck Retro! I'll do it tomorrow. Type shit. Yo, bro, is he ever getting the screeching audio? Be honest. No, I don't think he is. Yeah, type shit. That does not look like a sword, but it's okay. Whoa. Yo, bro, Kira. Whoa. No. Shit. Juice, you always spawn out of nowhere every time I say type shit, and it's amazing. La 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 la. La 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 la. Whoa. If he doesn't get yours, he's using my screech regardless. Valid. This is so sword. Whoa. Okay. So let me test this out. It's a separate item, so now I can copy it. I'm gonna tilt it. Ooh. I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller. Whoa. There we go. This is crazy. Can I? Whoa. Can I shrink it in this? Ooh, that's big. That's big. Wow. Dun 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 dun. And then, whoa. I need to duplicate this, and then we'll have the second frame be. I'm sweating this, but it's actually just gonna look like ass. I'm telling you. Yeah. Let's chill. For example, if your PC couldn't reach the DNS server or packets were lost while they were trying to reach your computer, it gives an error. My question is, why wouldn't your PC be able to reach the DNS server? Or why would packets be lost? That's so perplexing to me. Good night, Ara. It was good to have you. Sounds good, Zeph. Sleep peacefully. I am a changed Urson. Okay. Okay. This is so sword? Yo. And then I'm gonna skip a ton of frames because I'm lazy, but also because that's how animation works. And it's gonna be up here. Whoa. Ah! Dun, dun, dun. And then for the final one, oh gosh. For the final one, I'll shrink it a ton, and then I'll have it pointing like straight up. Like that. This is so sword. So it goes boom, 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 boom. Yo, this is so sword? Oh, type shit, Ara. Because it uses UDP, which relies on speed, but it's not reliable, unlike TCP. I don't know what UDP or TCP are. You should give the hamster angry little eyebrows. That is a good idea, but unfortunately I've already drawn all the frames. Why does knife change in girth, though? Because it's being tilted. That's a swooshy sword. Yes, sir. Depth. Okay, that's it. Bye. Bye, Ara. Good night. Friendship ended with TCP. Now UDP is my best friend. Shit. Good job, Juiced. It is connection-oriented. Yo, bro, I'm a fake comp sci major on everybody's soul. TS is so sword. My speech is so predictable on everybody's soul. Okay. Ba-dum-bum-bum. So for the swinging of the sword, when key space is pressed, I'm just gonna make a... I've never done this before. Is this like a function? Swing sword. Soured. Okay. Define swing sword. Switch costume to... How are we going to get the sword to kill the enemies instead of the sword and the cat? The sword to kill the enemies. What do you mean by that, random person? I too am connection oriented. Both UDP and TCP are transport protocols. Oh, wait. Isn't HTTP a protocol? Am I smart? Tell me I'm smart. She got to be doing it on purpose. If she says on everybody's soul between these messages, she's faking it. What? What? Why are we saying yes? It actually operates on TCP port 80. I know about ports, kind of. I learned about them in my freshman year, so it's kind of out of my brain. Networks is an entire huge ass field by its own. I believe you, bro. It's crazy. Crazy world out there. Switch cost. Okay, so it's gonna go 2, 3, whoa, 4, 5. 4, 5. And then we want to wait in between each one. How long do we wait? Not long. Let's try 0.08. I'm really feeling 0.08. And then duplicate that. Put it in there. Wait, I don't want to wait in the beginning. Hold on. Hold on. Okay. Yeah, no, that's good. That's good. But I want to make this a lot smaller. Looks better than I was expecting. I was expecting it to look terrible. If I'm being Stone Cold Steve Austin serious. Okay, that's a little too fast. 0.02? Question mark? And then wait one more time and switch it back to the original one. Whoa, why are we moving? Yo, bro. Oh, and then I have to say when the space key is pressed, then swing the sword. Okay. Wait, this is actually valid. Hold on. Dun, 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 dun. It lagged? Wait, is it still lagging? Remind me, next stream, I'm gonna turn off YouTube because streaming to both YouTube and Twitch causes too much lag. It's gonna be a rarity. It's gonna be reserved for special occasions only. Speaking of networks. Thoughts on adding a swoosh animation that follows the original placing of the sword to look cool? That's a good idea, random person, but I don't think I'm skilled enough at animating. Like, how would you even do that? Like, let's see. If I make this the original, and then I make this hamster 6. Okay. So now it's gonna switch to this one instead, and then on this one I'll add like a swoosh. But the problem is, how do you make that swoosh look good, right? Like this? Like that shape? Why can't I fill it? Hello? Why can't I fill it? Yo, bro, why can't I fill it? Lag okay now? That's good, that's good. Turn RTX on. What's RTX? Why can't I fill that in? Hello? Do I really have to trace it? Ah! Yo, it's not going good. Oh, good heavens. They call me an artist. Implement Lumen into the game. What is Lumen? La 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 la. Whoa. Da, da, da. Ray tracing? What is ray tracing? Oh, I forgot. Okay, this is the OG, and then I go to here. Got it. Okay. So then... Yo, bro, this is not gonna look good. I am an artist, but I never said I was an animator. Let's get one thing very clear. Yo, bro, I'm so focused. Holy moly. Good heavens! La, 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 la. Whoa. Ah! Turn it on, lighting engine, I think. The thing that eats up 50% of your frame rate in exchange for nice puddles of water. Oh, should we add ray tracing to this game? Wait, that'd be sick. Yeah. Wait, can I not undo? No. No. Oh, perfect, okay. Ray tracing is for 3D. Oh yeah, no, I'm aware. I was just joking. Also, I do not have the skills to implement ray tracing. Okay, I need to set the costume to 0 when it starts. Or to 1. Yeah, to 1. Switch costume to... hamster 1. Okay. There we go. This is so tough. So make the hamster 3D, ray tracing in 2D, fire, on everybody's soul. Wait, no, this is tough. This is so tough. I'm having too much fun, bro. Look at this. I actually want to continue this game. This is genuinely fun. I love making little fighting games like this. Just like super easy, simple things. It's a little brain activity. She said the thing. What did I say? What did I say? Hamster shooter. We're sharing it. The world needs to see the hamster shooter. Use WASD to move. Notes and credits. Credits to chat. On everybody's so. Oh. Is that bad? Am I not allowed to say that? Be honest. Thank you for the... Oh, wait, that's on YouTube. What if you make the sword a separate sprite that broadcasts the message that kills enemies if it's... that kills enemies that is always, like, away from the hamster? What I'll do is, upon clicking space, I will broadcast attack, and then I will check, when I broadcast attack, I will check if player is coming into contact with enemy. And that will always hold true because the sword is a part of the player sprite. So if even 1 pixel of the player is coming into contact with the enemy, they will die. Dun, dun, dun. BRB gonna play League of Legends. Oh, my condolences, Mari. Have fun. Check FNAF we? Not right now. Say what the wind wills. Basically, it is always far away from the hamster by a certain amount, but it looks like the original animation. What if the sword touches the back of the hamster also? What do you mean, my good sir? I feel like the actual killing will be pretty simple, right? I'm more concerned about the bullet. This thing's gonna give me trouble. We are all hiccuping. Oh, not the sword, I mean enemies. What if the enemy touches the back of the hamster also? Oh, you mean like if it's right here? Like, wait, can I move? Like this. I see. That could be altered, I suppose. I could track the X and Y position of both to get it more specific. Yeah, we can do that. Yeah, I already have the clone X, clone Y variables. We can make it work. When hamster draws sword, hamster butt is as deadly as sword. You get it, Tui. You get it. Dual weapons. Yeah. We can make it happen. We just need to track the clone X and Y, and then track the hamster X and Y. And so we can just fine-tune it. What the fuck is that, PFP? Okay. I was trying to select a profile picture, and I didn't feel like looking up anything. I just wanted to take something that was already in my files. So I went to images, and none of my images were working. This was the first image out of like 7 to be compatible. As I was like, you know what? Fuck it. It's fine. This was the first image to work on everybody's soul. I am being so honest. It wasn't my first pick, but alas. Fate had another thing in mind, and honestly, I'm not complaining. Thank you for being here. This was rather jolly, I must say. A delightful stream. I'll probably do Minecraft tomorrow, just because I don't like stacking up activities back to back, you know, like scratch and scratch. And I think I'm also going to continue the fetish tier list. It's really fun. For bullets, you can get the enemies to spawn at random places, always face the hamster, and then broadcast a message to activate a separate bullet sprite. Yeah, random person. Sounds good. Where are the roguelike characteristics? Where are the roguelike characteristics to ensure replayability? I'm not checking FNAF Wii. On everybody's soul. Did I say it again? Holy moly. So that everyone is different. Wait, you're so right? Wait, you're so right. We need to implement microtransactions ASAP. Front bubble buy? What's front bubble buy? What does that mean, 3 grains of salt? Front double buy? What does that mean, 3 grains of salt? I made a game, can I send it? Maddie, are you in the Discord? If you are 16 and over, Maddie, which I believe you are, then please feel free to join the Discord. I'll send the link in the chat. You can send the Scratch project there. Add a battle pass. Why is it? Yo, bro. There we go. Nightbot was going on strike for a second there. You put your arms up and flex your biceps. Like this? Is that good? Indeed I shall. Sounds wonderful, Maddie. I will see you there. Was that good, grains of salt? The YouTube is lagging stream. Do war crimes and displace them to Twitch. Yo, type shit. If you're on YouTube, pull up to Twitch right now. Because from now on, I'm very rarely going to stream to both. I like to keep it on Twitch just because it's less laggy. But yeah. Yep, solid. I appreciate you, grains of salt. I will see you all tomorrow for another holly jolly stream. And I will also see you before then on what I'm assuming is going to be a second fetish ranking.